I remember really well the first time realizing that you could use math and science and technology and laws of the universe to figure out how things work. And kind of making that connection in my head, I think was pretty special for me and kind of led me down the path that I've traveled through the rest of my career.
Chris! What's up?
Going!
Dude!
So happy to see you guys. How's it going, Johnny? It's great to see you.
Oh, welcome to the USOS segment, bud.
Yeah. Feels just like Building 9.
I'm a scientist by background. I'm a physicist, but I have done up here all sorts of different biology experiments and chemistry experiments on the human body, and things like growing plants. All things that are different because there are scientists on the ground that came up with really good ideas that we can help figure out and help them answer questions about. I was doing a bunch of biology experiments just last week in a glove box, and I'd never done that before, but knowing that I know how to think like a scientist, and I've learned how to think like a scientist, gave me the confidence to say, okay, well, this isn't something I've done before, but I know how to approach these problems. But the biggest skill is teamwork. That's how we get these incredible things done.
Chris, it was awesome to watch you and Jessica go out on a spacewalk.
You know, it's been an incredible time getting to be here on station.
I think we've done a really great job here of proving out some of the technologies that we're going to use as we take our next exploration steps.
One of the things that I found the most interesting is how varied and different the skills are to be successful on a mission to the International Space Station. You really have to execute at a high level, and you kind of prove to yourself that you can do it. You can do a whole lot more than maybe you think you can.